So we're here today at one of our service locations in the UK. See one of our technicians change an engine out of one of our key customers' buses, being Abellio London. The engine is changing as an ISP 4.5 and it's coming in and out of an ADL E400 hybrid. We have a large stock of Euro V and Euro VI engines manufactured by our Darlington UK plant. We're able to take your repower replacement project from start to finish. You're supported by our full service team to provide the best quality installation in the market. Our replacement engine provides the same fit, form, function and performance characteristics as your original Cummins engine. If your engine is nearing the end of its useful life, replace it with a genuine Cummins product which will increase your service performance and fleet uptime. This will extend the life of your bus for many years to come. Our replacement engines and installations are supported by a warranty of up to 5 years. This can be further enhanced by a comprehensive selection of service agreements that can meet all of your bus operator needs.